Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam and I am back today with your monthly haul videos. So today I went to Costco and 99 Ranch Market, which is an Asian international store. So stay tuned to see what I got from these two places. All right, welcome back. So let's start off with Costco, some of the bigger items so I can move them away afterwards. So the first thing I have here is soy milk. So we don't drink any dairy milk, so we always have soy milk, or I like to drink almond milk as well. So I have a big case of soy milk for my husband, and then I also have a big case of unsweetened almond milk as well. So this is vanilla flavored and this soy milk is just plain. Another big item that I got is LaCroix sparkling water. So we don't drink soda, we don't really drink juices just because they have a high amount of sugar in them. But I do like to kind of drink something that's carbonated, and this was an acquired taste. I did not like carbonated water in the beginning, but after a while I kind of started liking it, and then this is definitely my favorite, so I'm glad that Costco carries this. Next up, I have some chicken meatballs. So chicken meatballs are just for some nights where I don't have anything meal prepped, or just kind of one of those nights that I don't feel like cooking very much. So I pop these in the oven. If we have a little toaster oven, I'll just pop these in, and then it's a quick dinner item. And these ones I particularly like. This is teriyaki and pineapple flavored, because I was looking at the ingredients, and I kind of do this for all the things that I buy, but the ingredient list is very short and it's all things that I recognize. And I always look for that whenever I'm buying these kind of products, especially because you know, they're processed. So you want to make sure that they still have good ingredients in them. So I got that, just some veggies, some tomatoes. I love, love, love tomatoes. I love snacking on them. I love having them in my salad, putting them in my eggs, anything. So big box of tomatoes. And then I also got a big bag of carrots. I also love carrots just for like with hummus, and I've had this in all my hauls maybe even, but I always have carrots on hand. So this is our favorite butter of all time. It's so good, it's so delicious. So Kerrygold pure Irish butter. And then I've got my 3-berry blend. This is for yogurt. We like to have yogurts in the morning sometimes for breakfast. And so I'll top some of the frozen berries on top, put a little bit of honey, and then that is our breakfast. And then also smoothies, of course, and there's just unlimited uses of frozen berries. Some shrimp, tail on shrimp. Frozen shrimp. I love seafood and shrimp is one of my favorites, so just got a bag of this and I'm gonna do a recipe and share that with you guys soon, so stay tuned for that. So I found this organic cauliflower rice. It's a bigger bag than I usually get from Trader Joe's, and this is perfect. I love cauliflower rice. You know, you don't want to always eat rice and carbs all the time, so perfect substitute, and you can buy a big bag from Costco now. Got quinoa. So quinoa is a great alternative to just rice, and we love it. I love it. I usually cook up a big batch of it in the beginning of the week, and as like a meal prep, and then yeah, just kind of have it throughout the week with whatever else, like my veggie or protein or whatever that I'm having. And then I got Nature Valley sweet and salty granola bars. So granola bars aren't the best. These are just kind of when I want to quickly grab something and I've run out of all like those Lara bars or any other homemade granola bars that I've made, so it's kind of an alternative to that. Still not the best, so, but it's a good snack on the go. Bananas, of course. We love bananas over here for breakfast or for a little snack. Eggs, I got some eggs. Good for breakfast, good for a little bit of a snack here and there, good for lunch. We love eggs here too, so. Okay, well, that's it for Costco. So I'm gonna go ahead and move all these out of the way, and then I have just a few things that I got from the 99 Ranch Market. All right, so I moved out all the Costco items, so now I only have 2 bags and they're not very full of the 99 Ranch Market items. So first things first, I got some fresh ramen noodles. I wanted to try and make like my own ramen bowl with like an egg and some type of protein. So I just brought some fresh ramen to try that out. And then along with that, some tofu. We love tofu. And it's so versatile and it absorbs any flavor that you put in it. So I love having tofu on hand. Cilantro, so a lot of the desi cooking that I'm doing this month involves cilantro. So got some more cilantro, garlic. You can't live in a desi household and not have garlic. So got some more garlic. And then these are sweet potatoes, but they're a little bit different. They are Japanese sweet potatoes. So if you cut these open, they're not orange like the regular sweet potatoes that we find. They are actually white. So these are really delicious. Whenever I go to the Asian store, I'll grab a couple of these. I like to have them as maybe a lunch item or breakfast with miso scallion butter. Oh my gosh, guys, I will have to share that with you. It's so delicious. All right, so a couple more items and then we are done. So these rice crackers are a guilty pleasure. They're so good and they're just so, I don't know. I love throwing these in my lunch bag and my husband's lunch bag, and it's just a great little snack. Last but not least, I got some Poke Sticks. These are matcha flavored. I'm not sure if I've ever had the matcha flavored ones, but I thought I'd give it a shot. I love matcha, so I have a bag of matcha powder that I put in teas sometime into different types of desserts, so I figured I'd like this one. So yeah, that is my haul. So not too much stuff, kind of, just the basics and a little fun stuff here and there. But yeah, if you guys like these types of video, please give this a thumbs up, comment and like, and let me know where I should shop next. And then as always, live life tastefully balanced. Love watching, but this time, organic soy non-dairy beverage. Oops, nope. I like almond milk. My husband, blah, 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 blah.